Today we're in Golling at the Golling Waterfall, and we're here at the water mill, and there's plenty of water, so they put it in the right place. We're going to show you the path from the waterfall that the water takes to get here to the mill. We're going to show you a few other beautiful spots along the way. So let's get going. Here's the path down to the Golling Waterfall, but you have to climb up to this point so that you can go down. It's interesting, and usually there's a lot of mist coming out of the mouth of the cave there. It's really crazy that there's not any here today. So let's get going and see what it looks like. The last time we were here, there's a whole lot of mist coming through there, which is nice when it's hot outside, you know? How beautiful is that? Can you see those rocks deep inside of the cave? Unbelievable, really. So we're also going all the way to the top. And when we look down, we'll be able to see the water falling onto those rocks. Absolutely stunning. But I tell you what, usually when you're on that bridge down there, you're soaking wet. Okay, not soaking wet, but you're pretty wet. And we'll be going up the other side, like those people are doing. Stairs up to the top of the Golling Waterfall. I don't know how many, I've never counted these, but I don't mind doing them because it's really beautiful up there. would you look at how this building is balancing on these couple of rocks here? I'm not sure that was a good idea, but meanwhile, the building's been here since the early 1600s, so maybe I don't know anything about building. To the waterfall. It's not a long hike, but it's best to do this hike very, very slowly because there's so many beautiful things to see. There's the mill, there's the forest, there's the waterfall, all of the beautiful rocks in the water. Trust me, plan to spend some time here. Don't just hit and go. It's a beautiful place. Look at this waterfall. Wouldn't this be a great place for a lunch? Comes from the waterfall, and then it goes into these man-made canals. And it goes to the mill. I love it here. It's absolutely beautiful. Guardians of the parking lot. Hi, sweet girl.